Hello everyone. In this video, we'll understand the difference between the shallow copy and deep copy in Python in a very simple way. If you ever faced a situation where changing the one list also changed the another list, this video is just for you. What is copy in Python? In Python, when we copy an object, we are trying to create another variable with the same data. But how Python copies the data makes the big difference. So there are two types of copies. One is shallow copy and one is deep copy. Shallow copy creates the new object, but it does not create a copy of the nested objects. It copies the references of the nested objects or inner objects. I will give you the example of in a code format. So I have created a one list. Now I am creating a shallow copy of this list. Okay. Now I am changing the one element of the shallow copy. Okay. Now if I print the original list, and I'm printing both original and shallow copy as well. So see, it has changed in the original list as well. If I am changing the in shallow copy, why? Because both lists are pointing to the same inner list in memory. I will show you that as well. If I print the memory address of, see, both the memory addresses are same. So because shallow copy is just pointing to the original, it is not creating the completely independent copy. So this is the difference in case of deep copy. A deep copy creates the new object and also creates the copy of the all nested objects as well. I will give you example of the deep copy in code as well. I have created a list. Now I am creating one deep copy. Okay. Now I am changing one element in case of deep copy. Now if I print both original and the deep, see in case of deep copy, it did not change the element in the original copy. Original copy is as it is because deep copy creates the completely independent copy. So there is a difference. See, in case of shallow copy, outer object and inner deep copy, both outer objects are new, but inner object is shared in case of shallow copy and new in case of deep copy. So that's why memory usage is very less in case of shallow copy and more in deep copy. So final summary is like shallow copy copies the references, deep copy copies everything. So for nested data, always prefer a deep copy. This is the main difference in case of shallow copy and the deep copy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more Python videos. Thank you.